Hi everyone, welcome to Health Group. This week we are going to be talking about the muscular system. So we're moving on from our bones and moving right into the muscles which help our bones move. And here is a picture of what some of our muscles look like inside our body. Now let's take a look at our schedule. We are going to say hello, watch our brain pop video, answer our review questions, practice some stretching to keep our muscles healthy, and then we will say goodbye. It is time for hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to Health Group. Now we are going to watch our brain pop video.
Great workout, Moby. Your muscles are growing really strong. What are muscles? Muscles are special parts of your body that help you to move. Many muscles connect to bones and joints, and they work together to move. Muscles are made of a special body tissue that you can contract. When something contracts, it gets shorter. Muscles contract and relax to help you move. They're kind of like a rubber band you can stretch. There are over 600 muscles in your body, and they do different things. Some muscles are involuntary, and others are voluntary. What are voluntary muscles? A voluntary muscle is a muscle you can control when you want to. Voluntary muscles in your body work together to help you move. I can control the muscles in my legs and feet when I run. The large muscles in the front of your thighs are called quadriceps. The hamstrings are the muscles in the back of your thighs. The muscles in the shoulders are called the deltoids. The biceps and triceps are muscles in your upper arms. You can control these muscles when you pick something up or hold something. The pectoral muscles are in the front of your chest, and your abdominal muscles are below them. They are powerful muscles that help you sit up or stand, and move and twist around. There are muscles in your feet and toes, and in your hands and fingers. Your body also has really small muscles you can control, like the ones in your face. These muscles help you show your feelings. Even your tongue is a muscle. You control it when you talk. The muscles around your eyes help you look around and blink. You can control when you blink, but you can also blink without thinking. What are involuntary muscles? Involuntary muscles are muscles that move on their own. Your heart is a muscle, and it pumps blood without you even thinking about it. When you eat, food gets pushed down your throat and into your stomach. Involuntary muscles help move food through your body. There are also involuntary muscles in your eyes, and they help you focus so you can see. Your muscles do a lot of work without you even realizing it, so it's important to take good care of them. How do you care for your muscles? You can build strong and healthy muscles by exercising. The more you use your muscles, the stronger they become. You can lift light weights to help strengthen your muscles too. Lifting your own body weight can be a great way to build your muscles. Remember, it's important to lightly stretch your muscles before and after exercising to protect them. Your muscles and your whole body need energy, so make sure you eat a balanced diet. Foods that are high in protein help you build muscles. Fruit is also good for muscles because it gives energy to your whole body. You're not supposed to eat the bowl. You use your muscles every single minute of the day, so it's important to keep them healthy and strong. Right, Moby? Moby, where did you get that? Put it down.
Brain Pop is all done. Now it's time for our review questions. Where are the muscles in our body? Are they located under our skin or on top of the skin? The muscles are located under the skin where we cannot see them. Our next question. There are 3 types of muscles in your body. We have our skeletal muscles that help us move all of our bones. We have our cardiac muscles that help the heart pump, and that works all by itself and we do not have to tell them to work. And then we have smooth muscles that help our organs do their job, like digesting our foods. Draw a circle around the skeletal muscles. Our skeletal muscles are the red box right here. So we are going to circle that one. And those muscles are responsible for all of our movements like blinking, walking, running, and jumping. Draw a line under the cardiac muscles. That is going to be the blue square, so we are going to draw a line like this. And the last one, draw a square around the smooth muscles, the green box. And those muscles help our organs do their job. Most muscles are connected to blank, and they are responsible for all of our movements. Do the muscles connect to our fingernails or our bones? Muscles are connected to our bones, and that's how our bones bend and move. It is important to keep your muscles strong and healthy, just like your bones. What is one way to strengthen your muscles? Is it by exercising or watching movies? The best way to strengthen our muscles is to keep exercising. Exercise will keep our bones healthy and our muscles healthy. And our final question, protein is very important for our muscles. Which food is in the protein food group? Is it an apple or chicken? Chicken is a protein. An apple would be a fruit. Proteins are responsible for keeping our muscles strong and healthy. Great job with your review questions. Our review questions are all done. Now it's time for some stretching. Stretching is really important for our muscles because our muscles like to extend, get bigger, and also get smaller. You can look at them like a rubber band or an elastic. If your elastic or rubber band is too tight and you try to stretch it, that's going to hurt. So we do not want that to happen. Stretching keeps our muscles nice and warm, and then they're able to stretch and get smaller. Okay, for our stretching, make sure you have enough space to extend your arms and your legs out, and let's get ready. We're going to start by stretching out our necks because it's really important to remember that we have muscles all the way from the tops of our heads down to our feet. So we want to make sure that we're stretching our entire bodies whenever we do it. So to stretch our neck, we're going to start off with a very gentle stretch. You're going to take one hand, put it on the side of your head, and pull your head down towards your shoulder. Make sure you do not pull too hard. Let's count to 5 and hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Lift your head back up, lift your other hand, and then let's stretch the other side of our neck. Again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. Another way we can stretch our necks is by a circular motion. So we will do this one 10 times. We will go 5 in one direction and then 5 in another direction. So I'm going to start by putting my chin down and then spinning my head very slowly in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now we can move on to our arms. So we'll start by stretching out our shoulders, and a great way to do this is by bringing one arm over your head, pulling your elbow down behind your back, and giving a nice, good stretch. Let's hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll bring my arms back down, lift my other arm, bend my elbow, grab it with my other hand, pull it back. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now we'll stretch our arms by reaching across our bodies. So you're going to extend one arm out, bring it across your body, and hold it there with your other hand. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your hands down, and let's do it on the other side. Hand out, cross my body, grab it with my other hand, and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now we're going to move on to our midsection. So just like in APE, we're going to do our trunk twist. So we want our feet separated a little bit, hands on our waist, and let's do some trunk twists. We can do 10 of these to get a nice good stretch in our midsection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now we can move on to our legs. A great way to stretch our legs by standing up is to utilize our cross crawls. So when we do our cross crawls to stretch, it helps us practice crossing over our midline. But if you lift your leg really high when you do it, you're going to get a nice good stretch in your hips. So let's start with some cross crawls, and we will do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're almost done. We're just going to sit down on the floor for a couple more. So when you are sitting, we're going to start with our butterfly stretch. So feet together, take your hands, grab your feet or your ankle area, and we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. And our last stretch, we're going to straighten one of our legs out, keep the other one bent in. Try your best to grab your toes, keep your toes pointed up to the ceiling. If you can't grab them, that's totally fine. Don't hurt yourself. Just hold on to your lower leg, and we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll switch. Bring the other leg in, stretch the other leg out. Try to grab those toes, point them up to the sky, and we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. If you feel a little tiny pull in your leg, that's exactly what you're looking for, but not too much because we don't want to hurt ourselves. Great job stretching, everyone. Stretching is all done. It is now time to say goodbye. Awesome job in health group today, everyone. Bye.